Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing unbelievable miracle. Unbelievable miracle. 4 Sudarsana chakras in single soligram. 4 Sudarsana chakras in single soligram. It is extreme miracle. I don't know how to explain this. I have to find the words, create a new words to explain this saligram. Such a wonderful, amazing saligram. It is unbelievable how like this saligram exists. It is a Sudarsana chakra saligram. Sudarsana chakra saligram. I come across crores and crores of saligram. All there will be only single chakras. But this is saying 4 chakras. It is saying 4 chakras. It is unbelievable how this fossil formed. It is beyond the science to form such 4 chakras the saligram. It is huge energy. It is a huge energy. While taking the video also, I can feel the extreme energy in this saligram. Now I will explain in detail how this saligram is extremely unique than other saligram. I am not having any words to explain this saligram. It is such a wonderful, amazing. See, here you can see the 2 chakra, 2 golden big chakra. See, 2 golden big chakra we are seeing, and you can see here 1 chakra. 1, 2, 3 here 1 chakra, and here side 1 chakra. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 chakras. It is amazing, unbelievable. I myself, I don't know what name to give to this saligram. Really, I don't know what name to give to this saligram. Such a wonderful. So you can see clearly 4 chakras. 1, 2, 3, 4. What amazing piece it is. All creation of God. It's a base piece. It is lid also. I'll show the clear evidence of 4 chakras here. Here chakra 1, 2, and here 3. See clear chakra, and here 1 chakra. See, it is really unbelievable how this saligram fossil formed. I show the top and bottom. Here both you can see clear 4 chakras. It's a Sudarsana chakra saligram. It is impossible in science to form such a 4 chakras in this type of saligram. In other saligram called Vishnu saligram, you can see many holes top and bottom. That is different. But in this type saligram, only 1 chakras will be only seen ever. But this is unbelievable. It is only 1 piece. Extreme miracles. I am again showing the close-up view. 1, 2 clear chakra. Both are golden chakras. And here 1 chakra, very clear chakra. And here 1 clear chakra. I totally take 1 week time to understand this saligram, but really I don't know what name to give to this saligram, such a 4 chakra saligram. If it 2 chakra means we can give name Lord Shiva Parvati, Lakshmi Narasimha, Brahma Saraswati, like that we can give. If 3 chakra means we can tell Trimurti God, Brahma Vishnu Shiva. It is 4 chakra. So definitely I have to find a new name to this saligram. Such amazing piece it is. Now I will compare this saligram other saligram, and I will still give the detailed information to you. To this such a miracle beyond science saligram, I will give the detailed information. You see, this is the 4 chakra saligram in single piece, and I have opened many Sudarsana chakra saligram for comparison study. You see, all saligram there will be 1 chakra only. See, this is a basic Sudarsana chakra saligram which we get all over the world. Basic 1 chakra. there will be no evidence of any chakra. It will be closed like that. When you open, we can see one chakra. There will be no evidence of any chakra. See, this is also like that only. Very clear one chakra. We close. Open only one chakra. In same type only all. This is a golden chakra, but one chakra. The other side will be very plain. There will be no evidence of any chakra. But you see, it is saying 4 clear chakras. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clear chakra. This chakra also going inside. This is big chakra and 2 small chakras. So definitely, it is something beyond science. How this Saligram formed. But definitely all gods and goddesses will be living in this Saligram. When I compare to other Saligram, I can feel more energy in this Saligram. Definitely when I touch this Saligram, I can feel the heartbeat on the forehead. Feel more energy in this Saligram than any other Saligram. So this is a Sudarsana Chakra, all are Sudarsana Chakra Saligram. This type will be, we can get even lakhs crores type, but this is something miraculous. Now I will compare and show with all type of Saligram and how it is still being extremely unique, extremely unique. Now I will show compare and show. See, these are the types of Saligram which we can get from the Gandaki river. This is called Shivalingam Saligram. See, one ball like structure inside, outer will be very plain. Outer will be very plain, center ball. This is called Shivalingam Saligram. And this Saligram is called as Vishnu Chakra Saligram. You see, outer structure like that. In inner you can see the 2 chakras inside. Like this Saligram, we can. This is 2 chakra. There will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be commonly we can get like that. Many chakras Saligram that we can get. This is a Vishnu Chakra, but this is something abnormal. So Vishnu Chakra we can never get even the 2 chakras in the single Saligram, but you are getting 4 chakras. Okay. This is 1, 2. Like this, even you can get 3, 4, 5, 6. That are rare, but we can get. It's a Vishnu Chakra. 1, 2 chakra. Even this you get 3, 4, 5, 6 we get, but rare, but we can get. But this is impossible. This is impossible. It is impossible. And this is called Shivalinga Saligram. This also we can get. You see, center Shivalingam, there will be nothing inside. It will be plain. So I have shown the comparison of all Saligram which we are getting in this year, but this Saligram is really extremely amazing. Extremely amazing. 1, 2 big chakra, another golden chakra, and 3, 4 small chakras. Very clear evidence of chakra. When I compare the all type of Saligram, still I can feel extreme energy in Saligram. When I touch this Saligram, I can feel the heartbeat on my forehead. I can feel extreme heartbeat on my forehead. Such amazing powers in this Saligram. It is never again Saligram. One piece nearly in my 30 years experience, I am first time seeing this Saligram. In my 30 years experience, first time seeing such a Saligram. It's amazing. All should see this video. All should get blessed by seeing this video. Definitely by seeing this video, all your obstacle facing will be removed and you will get a huge success. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.